Alright everyone, what's going on? This is Sean with the Chosen Productions, and today we have another card box opening with the Star Wars Black and White series. I just posted another video of the Star Wars Rogue One mission briefing pack, so I'll do the same kind of style as I do with that one. Here are the odds for this, and I've noticed with this one there's a lot more options than that Rogue One pack, so I'm kind of figuring out what boxes to buy and what not as these videos kind of keep getting better and better as we go. So this one's got a lot of autograph options, dual autographs, triple autographs. The odds are there, you can see. I will crack this open and we will start opening packs. I have no clue how many packs are in here. I have no clue what I bought. I just wanted to start somewhere. And this is how we're starting. So there it is. You open it, comes in that. So, in the black and whites, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. And we'll just start right off the bat. The first pack. So these are all going to be in black and white, and I've seen videos that some of them will be hued with like a green or a blue of some sort, and they'll be numbered cards as such. So I'll just slowly take and show these cards off, because they really are works of art. Beautiful cards. So we have a numbered one already, first card pack. 35 out of 99. And it's one of the green hued ones, so I'll put this over to the side. And we've got iconic character cards, and this one's Boba Fett. And then a few more normal ones. Just beautiful cards. So that was the first pack, already a numbered card, which was nice to see. Obviously a lot more value in this one than that first Rogue One pack opening with just the one patch. I don't even think there was an option to get signed autographs in that one, so I'll just do the same with this one. So this one's got like a more of a normal colored hue to it, not numbered, these ones. I'll throw them in another pile behind the scenes. I think we got something. I think it's an autograph. And we'll save it for the last thing we look at in this card pack here. I won't save it till the end because I think that's stupid. You guys should see, instead of skipping through the rest of the content to see what else I got. I'll show it to you right after this pack here. Here's a green one. This one numbered. 29 of 99. I'll put that in the numbered pile. So 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, the Force is with you. This is an authentic Star Wars black and white autograph bearing the signature of one of your favorite members of the Star Wars Return of the Jedi cast and crew, Kenneth Colley as Admiral Piet. That's sweet. So there it is, Admiral Piet. That's a really cool card, actually. So I will put that in a sleeve when I get some. I sadly don't have any because I started this hobby like a week ago, buying all these cards. But that is a sweet card, Admiral Piet. Iconic character. These cards are just sweet as heck. Let me get this pack out of the way. There's another one in there. This one's got a blue hue to it. Put that one aside. Behind the scenes. Alright, so we got 3 packs left. That'd be sweet as heck if we got like a dual pull here with these. I don't know if it's even possible to get 2 decent pulls in one box like this. Let's open up the total on here. I have no clue what those type of odds are, but that'd be sweet as heck if we could pull 2 autographs, or I think there's like coin ones in here or stuff like that. That'd be sweet if we got to pull 2 and 1. This one's sweet. This must be like a poster card or something. Yep, Return of the Jedi poster. I think that's the first one we've gotten in here. Those are cool. That one looks almost right. Two packs left. Ooh, numbered card. I think that's the 3rd numbered card we've got. 20 of 99. It's Luke and Yoda when Yoda's about to pass. Spoiler alert. Behind the scenes. So a miniature bunker. Alright, so last pack. Here, we already pulled a decent Admiral Piet signed card. So I'm really happy with what we've gotten so far from this. Concept art. Ewok Taking a Ride. Yep, concept art by Joe Johnston. I think that's the first concept art card we've gotten of those 2. Alright, so let me get the numbered ones and the signature we got here. So, we'll just review the decent cards, the numbered cards we pulled, and then the sign. So we got 3 numbered. First one, Vader and Luke. Second one, a Gamorrean Guard in R2. The third one being Luke and Yoda when Yoda's passing away. And then for the big hit, the Admiral Piet signed autograph, which is sweet as heck. I love Admiral Piet. He's super cool. But he dies, so. But it is still a cool card at that. So that is all we got for the black and white box. Obviously a better pull than those Rogue One. That was just a mistake, really, getting that box. But I do have another thing to announce. I will be doing a giveaway with this video. I'm going to be giving away this Han Solo 2016 Summer Convention exclusive. It wasn't one of the ones you can get at the actual convention. This is just the one you can buy at like GameStops and stuff. It has the shared exclusive sticker on there. I just want to do a giveaway for my fans for supporting the content and supporting the channel. So if you want to be entered in this contest, all you gotta do is comment something in the comment section down below. Any comment, I don't care what you say. I'll be putting your names into one of those online generators and then picking a person from that. So this is the giveaway. I'll be sending it to you for free, unless I know you, and then you'll just be getting it from me. So this is the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching these card pack openings. I hope to be doing some more in the future. Other than that, stay safe and have a good one. Peace.